welcome to the Pacific Echo. For this video, I am going to show you how you can use Pythagorean equation in a given problem or in real life. Alright, so here we have a statement with a question. The statement reads, a builder needs to check the length across a rectangular frame. Now this is the frame right here, and this is the builder, as you can see. Right, so again, the builder needs to check the length across the rectangular frame. Now the size measurements 9 meters and 12 meters. Now he wants an exact measurements, not a guess. So we are going to find out the exact measurements. We are going to help the builder to find the exact measurements. The question is, what is the exact length of the diagonal? Now this is the diagonal right here. So what is the length of this diagonal? We are going to find out the length of the diagonal. Now in order for us to find the length of the diagonal, we are going to use the Pythagorean equation. Pythagorean equation is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Alright, so this is the equation that we're going to use. Now we know the lengths that are given here. We have 9 meters and we have 12 meters, so right, so we are going to use these measurements or these lengths. We are going to substitute this length into the given formula. Right, so 9 squared, a squared is equals to 9 squared plus b squared is 12 squared, which is equals to c squared. Alright, there we go. Now the first thing you want to do is you have to square the numbers. So we have 9 squared is equals to 81. 9 squared is equals to 81, and 12 squared is equals to 144. Let me write this properly. 144. There we go. Now after this, we are going to let's not forget to add the results. So the results here is 81 and 144. So we are going to add this result. So 81 plus 144 is equals to 225. There we go, 225. And this is not our final answer. We are going to move on to the next step, and that is to find the square root of 225. So we have here c squared is equals to 225. So the square root of 225 is 15. There we go, 15. Alright, so after using the Pythagorean equation, we came up with 15 as our answer. Therefore, our final answer, the length of the diagonal is 15 meters. There we go.